Hey guys, so I wanted to make a recording so that you know what you need to be doing with the 3 essays, just in case there's some kind of technological problem. So the first thing that you're going to do is to read the 3 essays. You can see the 3 essays here. You have one by Elijah, one by Joanna, and one by Morley. So you're going to read all 3 of those essays, and then you're going to rank the essays. You're going to rank them first, second, third, right? Gold, silver, and bronze. So you're going to decide, working either individually in a pair, in a triumvirate, but no group larger than 4, how you're going to give out those first, second, and third place rankings. Then you're going to write a minimum of 2 sentences that, in a general way, offer an explanation of your ranking. So just in a general sense, why you selected to rank them in the way that you did. Then I want 4 pieces of specific text, right? Specific pieces of evidence from the essays, and then sort of contextual references, like they talk about this or they talk about that, that addressed how you ranked the writing. And there are some sentence templates there to help you, right? So we ranked Eli's essay higher than Morley's because we ranked Joanna's essay as the strongest because, and what you're really looking at here is getting pieces of text from all of the 3 essays and kind of justifying why you have given them the ranking that you have given them. It is important that you understand that there is no correct answer here. It's not a trick assignment. I don't have a list of like, this one's first, this one's second, this one's third, right? You can rank them in any way that you want. Semicolon, however, comma, you must provide a very detailed, textually driven, and analytically thought out response to why you have ranked them in the way that you have. I hope that this is helpful, and I am hoping that you have a great day on Thursday. Once you're done with all of your ranking, you are going to go and post your sentences in the Padlet, and you'll find a link to the Padlet in the lesson resources portion of this digital session. So I can't wait to see what you have written. We will look at all of those things together on Friday, and I hope you have a great day.